That's number 2.
I don't think that,
Where'd Jug go?
Where is he?
He's in the bathroom.
No.
Oh,
man.
Half an hour later.
from years ago when the kids were about this
Pinch it
high.
off and get out.
I can go take a picture of Jeb and then superimpose
Well, he's
it.
sitting by you, so I don't mind. Let's go down this way.
There we go.
Did you wash?
You guys don't have to sit that close until somebody else sits
Don't
down.
touch anybody then.
Yeah.
I'm not
He's
sitting
gotta get on his
next
shirt.
to him.
Unless you want me sitting there with the bear shirt on.
I thought you were gonna take the bear shirt off too.
I can do that if you really want me to, John Boy.
What are you suggesting?
You got a bed there? Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay, front of yours now.
I am leaning this way a
Are we
little bit.
sitting in front? Yeah.
Good, you get in front of Jeb so you don't feel bad.
I can put EC there.
Looks kind of like that family from Hee Haw. Used to sit on the couch, you know. Okay, here we go.
Everybody look.
Hey, cheese.
This one went off, Doug. Press the power
Let's
button.
push the
Look at
button.
that good looking bunch. Come on.